Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Salesforce Internship Certificate. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So basically, to have an internship certificate, you will need to do an internship or to go through an internship in Salesforce. So basically, you have two options for that. Either you can go to the salesforce.com website and then you will need just to go to the company, and from there you will need just to search for the careers, and then you will need just to search for the internships. So here in the internships, you will need just to choose your hub. So basically where you need to pass an internship. For example, I'm going to choose this hub, and from here you can start finding the internship that would interest you based on your role. And there is also another program that you can try to search for, which is the Salesforce virtual internship program. So basically, this is a program partnered by the SmartBridge and the Salesforce company. And of course, you can choose or you can try to start following these program, and you will need just to register to it. And basically, just go to the description, and you will find this virtual internship, and you can register for it. And of course, you will need just to have more re-signing and more information. Just search for more informations about anything. And if you want to learn more and more about Salesforce, if you want to be a developer or any role, you can also try to go to the trailhead.salesforce, which is a Salesforce platform where you can start learning using Salesforce. So basically here you will need just to go to the learning, for example, and from there you can find trails. And in the trails, you can find the objective if you want to earn a certificates. And from there, you can start choosing also your role if you want to be an architect or developer. And from here, you will find all the trail path and you will be able to learn more and more about Salesforce. So basically, those are the tips that you can try to use. Thank you for watching and see you next time.